In last period, we have to see the algae, bryophyte, pteridophytes, the silent features of pteridophytes, bryophytes and algae. Then next type of plant, that is it classify under phanerogams. Phanerogams, that is flowering plants. Gymnosperms. The term gymnos means the naked, and sperma means seed. The plant produces naked seed called gymnosperms. There are about 70 genera and 1,000 living species of gymnosperms are found. In world, in India, it represents 60 genera and 53 species of the gymnosperms. In our country, 16 genera and 53 species are found. The silent features of the gymnosperms, that is, the most of the plants are evergreen. The gymnospermic plants are evergreen plant. Evergreen plants. Shrubs, woody trees are found. Shrubs, woody tree are also found in the gymnosperms. These are primitive group of flowering plants. Gymnosperms are a primitive group of flowering plants producing the naked seeds. Seeds are not covered by fruit, means without fruit formation, that is, seeds are naked. Such plants in gymnosperms, that is the ovary, they are vascular plants having xylem with tracheids and phloem with sieve cells. Gymnospermic plants are the vascular plants, xylem with tracheids and phloem with sieve cells. The plant body of the gymnosperm is sporophyte. Plant body of gymnosperm is called or is a sporophyte. It is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Here Cycas is one of the example of the Gymnosperm, and it shows plant like this. The root system is tap root system, but some roots are grow above the soil. Stem is branched or unbranched in some plants of the Gymnosperm. The stem is unbranched. For example, in Cycas, the stem is unbranched. Some plants, that is Pinus, the stem is branched. Leaves, the two types of leaves. Taproot and another type of root, that is corolloid root. Corolloid root. Stem, leaves, foliage leaves, and scaly leaves. Foliage leaves, it is pinnately compound leaves. It appear like this, pinnately compound. Scaly leaves, scaly leaves is brownish in color. Initially, it shows circinate vernation, that is, it protects the circinate vernation of foliage leaves, young leaves. Then the roots, that is taproot and corolloid root. Corolloid roots are dichotomously branched, and it shows the symbiotic association. With blue-green algae and the corolloid root or the Cycas plant. In another plants, for example, in Pinus, it shows endophytic fungi, that is association. Pinus root, it shows the endophytic fungi called mycorrhiza. That is on the tap roots, and inside the cells of the root, the fungus are grow. Such type of association is found in the Cycas plant. It is called mycorrhiza. It is one of the symbiotic association. The one type of association, that is in corollary root of Cycas and blue-green algae. It is also a symbiotic association. Okay, that is about the root system. Then in Gymnosperm, stem is mostly erect, aerial, solid, cylindrical. For example, in Cycas, stem is unbranched, but in Cycas, in Pinus, it is branched. Stem is branched. Secondary growth is found. Another characteristic feature, that is secondary growth is seen in Gymnosperm. Hence, the growth of the stem, that is girth of the stem, is increases due to presence of secondary growth, that is cambium is present. In Cycas, it is usually unbranched, while in conifers, it is branched. Leaves, about the leaves, it shows dimorphic type of leaves, scaly leaves and foliage leaves. Dimorphic means two types of leaves are found, hence it is called dimorphic leaves. Some, that is foliage leaves, are green, simple, needle-like, pinnately compound, whereas scaly leaves are small, membranous, brownish in color, hard, woody at maturity, triangular in structure. Male plant and female plant are separate in Cycas. That is, in Cycas plant, the male cone is developed on a male plant. That is, like this, the male cone is developed on the male plant, and female, that is megasporophyll, developed on female plant. The microspores are produced by microsporophyll, and megaspore, that is ovules, are developed on megasporophyll. In this way, in the Cycas, that is in Cycas, the sexual as well as asexual reproduction is found. Sexual reproduction, that is after pollination and fertilization. Asexual reproduction by birds. Okay, in this way, the silent features or general characters of Gymnosperms are to be seen. Then, next point, that is silent features of Angiosperms. या वर्षीच्या 11वीच्या मुलांसाठी हा एंजिओस्पर्म हा टॉपिक डिलीट केलेला आहे. नाउ दिस इयर अप टू जिम्नोस्पर्म content of syllabus, but angiosperm this content is deleted. Okay, therefore the characteristic features of angiosperms is deleted here. It is avoided to complete the general characters or silent features of angiosperm. Okay, thank you.